The gatekeepers have been getting on to me for giving you guys recipes. They are getting on to me. And these ain't even this is like the Karens who are talking about the lemonade stands permits, but it doesn't matter. Here's a hair growth recipe that is extremely potent. I'm talking about, this is a mixture of Indian and also Brazilian or South American inspired ideas. And all of these herbs, all these mixtures, all of these oils are extremely potent for hair growth. And this is how we do it. So this oil recipe, this hair growth recipe is gonna equal out to about 1 gallon of hair oil. And the first thing we're gonna do is pick up 32 ounces of coconut oil. Now we're also gonna pick up 32 ounces of Brazil nut oil. Now this is very popular in Brazil, South America for its hair benefits. We're also gonna add in 32 ounces of castor oil. I personally prefer to get the black castor oil. I don't care if it's Jamaican or Haitian. Black castor oil, 32 ounces. Now with jojoba oil, we're gonna get 20 ounces of jojoba oil. This is great as a hair conditioner.
Pure vitamin E.
And we're also gonna do 8 ounces of vitamin E. This is gonna be our antioxidant to preserve the length of our, not the length, but how long our oils last. Now, the first thing we're gonna do, because we're gonna do a lot of infusions. So we're gonna infuse 2 ounces of dried alma, which is gooseberries. It promotes hair growth. We're gonna infuse 2 ounces of that. Now we're also gonna infuse 2 ounces of dried guava leaves. Guava leaves are popular, very popular in Brazil for its hair growth benefits. Now we're gonna infuse 2 ounces of henna leaves. Make sure it's henna leaves. It strengthens the hair without coloring it in this form. And we're also gonna do 1 ounce of fenugreek seeds. This is an Indian herb for straightening hair. Now we're gonna also add in some essential oils. These are essential oils. We're gonna do 1 ounce of peppermint oil. That's gonna stimulate the scalp. 1 ounce of rosemary essential oil. This promotes hair growth and thickness of hair. We're gonna do 1/2 ounce of lavender oil. This is gonna be our soothing properties. And 1/2 ounce of cedarwood oil. This is gonna stimulate hair follicles. Now to make this recipe is really simple. We're gonna take all of our powders and seeds, all the stuff for the infusion. We're gonna put it in our oil infuser and infuse it. Once it's infused, strain it out. Let the mixture cool down because it heats up during infusion. So let the mixture cool down. Now, add in all your essential oils, your grapefruit extract, and pour it all into a large container with the rest of your oils. Blend it all up, mix it all up, and you are ready to go. This hair growth oil will make your hair grow very thick and strong. Now, if you want to learn how to start your own beauty business, skin, hair, nails, whatever, you see that little link right below my profile picture. Click on it, come to my free live masterclass. You see the reviews right here, people making money just off the master classes. So you need to come to it.